Hi friends, welcome to Cooking My Passion. Let's make pineapple chutney today. So for that we'll be needing 2 cups of pineapple, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon black mustard seeds or rye, half a teaspoon of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, or you can put sugar according to your taste, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder. So now we'll start with cutting this. Take a chopping board, place the pineapple. So we'll just cut the top part first, then I'll be cutting the base. Be very careful while cutting it, don't cut your fingers. We are left with this part. I'll just cut it from the sides. So using a small knife, now I'm taking out all the brown eyes from the pineapple. Similar manner, you can remove all the brown eyes. I've peeled the pineapple and now we just have the edible part left. We don't want very thick pieces of the pineapple, otherwise the chutney will take a longer time to cook. So one more thing you'll have to do is just take out the center part of the pineapple. It's a little dark yellow in color, so you'll be able to make out exactly what part we need to take it out. You can use the tinned pineapples also, but I prefer using the fresh ones. So you just have to cut them like this. So you have small chunks of it. Similar fashion, we've cut all the slices. So let's start preparing the chutney. Heat a pan, add approximately a tablespoon of oil. The oil is hot, add hing to it, and then I'll be adding black mustard seeds and I'll let it splutter. Once it splutters, I'll add cumin seeds. Now I'll be adding the pineapples. Add a pinch of salt. After a minute, I'll add water. Add sugar. Now we'll cook it and cover it at a medium flame for 5 minutes. You can just stir it in between. Make sure it's not burning. So now it's been 5 minutes. We'll just have a look at it. You can just taste it at this stage. And you can add more sugar if you want to, or more salt if you want to. Add roasted cumin powder, red chili flakes. If you want, you can add plain red chili also, but it's optional. Now give it a mix. So the pineapples are soft, but they're not very soft, so we'll just let them cook for some more time. Again we'll cover it and let it cook for a few more minutes. So the water is dried up and the pineapples are almost also cooked. So at this stage I'll just go ahead and switch off the gas. I'll just let it rest for a minute and then I'll transfer it in the bowl. If you like pineapple, you'll love it. So it's ready. The water is all dried up. I'm just adding a pinch of roasted cumin powder. More. Add half a teaspoon of vinegar at this stage. And just give it a mix. So let's transfer it in the bowl. You can enjoy this chutney with your meal, or you can have it with crackers also. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out for you. Good luck and thanks for watching.